Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Shiana. So today I'm going to show you how I got this blonde wig to this really pretty pink shade, and if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So to start off, there are a few things you're going to be needing. First being your tub of boiling water, your hair color. I'm using 2 bottles of cotton candy. Next, your tint brush to mix the color up. And then lastly, you're going to need Got2b glue freeze spray to protect your lace. I have heard that the watercolor does not tint the lace, but because this is my first time doing it, I didn't want to take any chances. So also, you're going to need your wig, of course. This is the box that the wig came in. I have a 12-inch bob. And now I'm just going in with that freeze spray, and I'm just spraying the lace and letting it air dry. For this next step, I'm taking 1 bottle of the Adore hair color and I am pouring it directly into the tub. You want to put your color in sections. You don't just want to pour it all in at once because you run the risk of having high saturation in some sides of your hair and it being lighter on the other side. So just pour 1 bottle at a time. And now I'm just mixing that color up with the tint brush to make sure I remove any clumps in the water. This is the part where I am just doing a test strand. Some people like to do it on a paper towel, but I don't think a paper towel mimics the hair color exactly. So I'm just doing a strand in the back of the wig to see what it turns out, and I did kind of notice as I kept dipping it, it wasn't getting the color that I wanted. So after I try this out and realize that, I go in with my 2nd bottle of Adore. If you're going for the exact same color that I used, I just basically did 2 pumps of the Adore of the 2nd bottle, and I'm just mixing that all up. And now here I'm just doing my test strand again to make sure it's the desired color that I'm looking for. Alright, I did my test strand, and so now I am just dunking the wig in the water. Don't be like me and stick your hand in the water because FYI, it's hot. And I didn't realize that until after I stuck my hand in. So please just make sure you use something to kind of help push the wig around. It wasn't extremely hot, but still. I'd rather you be safe than sorry. So now I'm just moving the wig around, pushing it and poking it, making sure I'm getting every single hair because I do not want this wig to come out half colored and half not. One thing you do want to make sure you're continuously doing is pulling the wig out so you can see if it's the color you want. I kind of noticed that in some areas in the back that the hair was a lot lighter, so I just went in and I stuck it back in the water and I basically let it sit for about 5 minutes. So once the time is up, you want to take your wig out and check it one last time. If it's not, you can keep repeating it, but since mine is done, I just take the wig out and I wring it out and let it run under cool water. So here's the wig once I'm done. I did realize I didn't show you guys the construction of it. So here's the inside. It has 4 combs, the lace frontal, and then it tracks in the back with the adjustable straps as well, and there's also lace in the back. Also, the wig is pre-plucked, so you don't have to do any plucking if you don't want to. And here is the finished color, guys. I do love the way it turned out, and I love the fact that the wig is wavy because I'm going for a wet look for Rolling Loud, and you can't really see the tracks either, which is also a plus for me. If you're interested in where I got the canvas head from, Beyond Beauty on Amazon sent this to me. I will have it linked down below, but it also came with a bag of goodies, which include this wig cap, a wig stand, a wig cap with adjustable straps so you can create your own wig if you want. It also included some T-pins and needles to help sew down, and clips, and also some thread. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and follow me on all of my social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.